welcome back to my channel. Today we are in Paraty. We made it here last night. It was really cool. Our hostel is so nice. It's called Ciao, I think. And we're currently just about to go on a boat tour. Not exactly entirely sure what we're seeing because we booked it about 5 minutes ago, but we are just gonna see what happens. But it should be a really fun day out, and yeah, let's see if Paraty is worth coming to. This is our first stop of the day. Pretty beautiful.
Turn around. Yeah, keep doing that. Give it a circle.
For God's sake.
Doing great, sweetie. Now alternate.
We are on the Caprinas. We've been to our second stop, which we didn't even get off at, to be honest, because like drinks are very important at this point.
It's quite warm in the sun as well, and it's quite cold in the sea.
Yeah, it's a little bit colder here than Ilha Grande, I can't lie. But still loving life. It was still really nice.
Oh, I don't know my boobs.
Good. But yeah, so we're trying to just make the most of the sun, trying to get that tan on, and let's see where we end up. Maybe a beach, you never know. So guys, we just had a lunch break over at this lovely little piece of paradise over there, and I just got this drink because we bought lunch with us, and this is like the local drink, but do you remember what it was called? Jorge Amado. Yeah. But it basically is like passion fruit and some rum, and I'm in heaven. I will drink this until I'm leaving in Paraty, to be honest. It's so good. Yeah. Also, I made friends with a cat, and the cat really liked me, and I'm literally, my trip has been made. These are the shells I picked up from the beach. Wow, but look how cool these are, like, they're so cool. And this has got like mother of pearl in it. Basically they're for Dave because I like him. Free. So we just got off the boat tour. It ended quite early, I can't lie. I thought it ended at 4:30 and it's 3. So I grabbed a bracelet from the market for about 10, and then we're gonna go over to the beach and keep exploring. So we've had drinks at the beach, and unfortunately the sun's gone in, so we're just going to head back to the hostel now. But the hostel has a freaking pool, so I'm very happy about that, and I'm definitely going to be getting in that right now. Hello! We are back. Oh look, we are back at the hostel now, and I thought I'd give you a little hostel tour just because this is, to be honest, this has been the best bunk bed that I've had so far.
What, your second one? No, third.
No, third. Yeah. Look, these ones actually are attached, so that's good. So in the last hostel, these two were like separate beds, literally just put on top of each other, like nothing holding them together. These ladders are a bit but poor Erica's on this one though. It's like a floating in the middle bed, and at Books they literally did not have these side things, and I was originally put on them and I nearly cried because I literally thought you can fall off either side, so that's not fun. So we are in a 10 bed today, but this is good. This is my lovely bed here. I've just completely obliterated it with all my stuff. Emma's is beautiful, and we're gonna go out tonight to eat. Not obviously, as you can tell, not going actually out because I can't be asked to put on any like makeup. Look, I'm in bloody shawls and a jumper. That's the plan for today. Not gonna be a crazy one in Paraty at the moment, but the tables may turn. Oh god, Bella just put sugar on prosciutto instead of salt.
So sweet. Sweet mozzarella.
We've left the restaurant and my pizza was so massive. I'm having to take a load home. So I think it's gonna be it tonight. I don't think we're getting anywhere. Look at my eye bags. I'm shattered from too many nights out drinking. So we're gonna head back now and call it a day. But hopefully tomorrow we'll go and have a little bit more of a tour around Paraty. Good morning guys. So I'm here eating my leftover pizza for breakfast. Just chilling. Near the hostel. This hostel is insane. It's literally got a pool and swing and hammocks. I'm super happy. I've just checked out, waiting for the girls to check out. And then basically we are gonna go on a free walking tour. So excited for that. Let's go. We missed the tour because it's actually in Portuguese and the English one apparently is at 5:30. So if you want to go and have an English tour around Paraty, then you need to meet in the main square. I think it's 5 or 5. Is it 5? Meet at 5. That's when you can actually do the walking tour. But it's fine because we're just like chilling around the old centre. At the moment, we're just going to go and have a little shop. I've got some souvenirs, my classic shot glass and a magnet for my mum. And then, yeah, we're basically going to have a nice lunch and maybe catch an earlier bus back to Rio. It's such a lovely town, this, but there's not a huge amount to do. So we're just going to be wandering around and looking at the sights. So we've just come here to this lovely outdoor restaurant for lunch, and the girls had Macau. The local dish, which is like this like fish stew, is actually really lovely. I had a little try myself. I just really needed carbs, so I had a fat spike bowl that went in about 2 minutes. But we've also got the local drink here, which is a Jorge Amado. Jorge Amado. I think the plan is we're just going to chill here and then get the 5 o'clock bus back to Rio. But yeah, I'm loving Paraty. It's very chilled vibes and it's cute. Our time in Paraty is up. We are currently trekking to the bus stop. We've managed to get the 5:20 bus back to Rio. It takes about between like 5 hours 45 to 4 hours 45. So we're just getting one of those. And then we've managed to book like an insane 4-star hotel in Rio, in Copacabana, for the same price as a hostel. So don't know what's happened there, but I'm happy. But yeah, that's going to be the end of the Paraty vlog. So make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for the Rio vlog. Bye!